Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a basic rope braid that's super easy, beginner friendly, and takes less than 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Start by splitting your hair into two equal sections. If you're a beginner, use hair ties to hold each section while you practice. This trick makes it so much easier to manage. Now let's begin the braiding. Take both sections and twist them to the right. Next, cross the right section over the left so they switch places. Again, twist both strands towards the right. Then cross the right section over the left section so they switch places. That's it. You simply twist the sections in one side and cross them over in the other direction. It's as simple as that. Keep this rhythm going until you reach the end of your hair and then tie it off with an elastic. So that is how easy it is to make a beautiful rope braid. Check out the playlist in the description for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Whether you are new to braiding or need extra tips, it's got you covered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a hairstyle. And if you try this out, drop a comment. I would love to hear how it works for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.